Yeah, twisting round bar is every bit as boring as it sounds, but it doesn't have to be. The trick is to do something to it before you twist it so you can see the something you did after you twist it. That's really the whole trick to making an interesting twist in round bar, is just doing something to it so that you can see that it's been twisted. Just regular round bar doesn't look like it's been twisted. There has to be some surface ornamentation to it that gives you that twist effect. It's also hard to get a grip on when you twist it, so what I've got is a modified pipe wrench with an extra handle on it that I can use as a twisting wrench. And it works just like a pipe wrench on pipe. The slightly loose jaw kind of locks in, and the harder you pull, the more it locks. You have to pull the original jaw. If you pull this jaw, it actually loosens it. Now the obvious thing to do is just to forge it square, and it twists just like a square bar. But if you're going to do that, you might as well twist a square bar. So let's do something just a little different. Let's forge it into sort of a not so obvious octagon. Kind of washed out corners. Let's see what that does. So to do that, we'll just start off essentially square octagon round, but I'm never going to go all the way to sharp, well-defined corners in my octagon. This is really quite the vague look on here, the way it is. But let's see what we end up with when we twist it. I'm keeping my tongs well back. I'm only leaving about an inch on each end in the original round so I can see what it was later. And I want this fairly straight before I twist it. So I don't know if you can see any texture in that at all. It's just a real washed out octagon. So let's see if this looks like it's been twisted. I'm going to go around 1.5 turns. Luckily with the round at the ends, it doesn't really matter that much, because the round stays round no matter how you end it. So you just twist till you like it. Okay, can we see that at all? Well, there's certainly a twist there. That's much more obvious. For this one, I'm just going to flatten a little bit in the middle. And let the edges stay roundish. And try to get it fairly even so it twists evenly. So hopefully you can see all I've done to this one. There's one full revolution. I think I'll go 1.5 again. That one is definitely more dramatic. You can definitely see that it's been twisted. That's just a real quick introduction to round bar twists. So you can twist a round bar, but you have to use your imagination. Clearly, the more you do to it, the more obvious it is that you twisted it. But even this one that is really quite subtle, I think can be more dramatic. What happens if we just sand it just a little bit? We can bring out some highlights in that, and that makes it a little bit more dramatic. I can think of quite a few other things that we can do for round bar twists, and we're going to look at some more. I've cut some more material this length just for this purpose, but I thought I would let some of you suggest your favorite round bar twist or even a concept that might work. And I'll pick 2 or 3 of those, and we'll do some more round bar twists in a video in the next few days, and we'll just take a look at some of this stuff. So I hope that's worthwhile to you. You can twist round bar, and it will look like it's been twisted if you do something to it first. Give the video a thumbs up if you can. Love it if you hit that subscribe button. And remember, blacksmithing is not a dying art. It is up to us to keep it alive. So get out in the shop and make something, but do stay safe and do wear your safety glasses. Take care. We'll see you for the next one.